Sarah from the Emirates, she says that she has a 4.5-year-old child. How to upbring him in an Islamic fashion? This question cannot be answered in a Q&A session, Sarah. This requires a whole lecture. Not only that, it requires, above all, a way of life. If I were to visit your home and see how you and your husband live and communicate and behave, that is the root solution for upbringing your children Islamically. But if you have Netflix, if you have music all day long, if none of you pray on time and your husband doesn't pray in the masjid, and you guys gossip and backbite and maybe swear other than Allah, you never read the Quran, you never have circles of knowledge to study the hadith or the fiqh, how is it possible that the child would grow up to be an imam or to be brought up in an Islamic way?